this is Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com, doing another video recap of one of our premium member winners. We actually hit our target today, and generally speaking, once we hit our target, I usually release the video, or release a video, or make a video rather, for the general public. Please excuse my voice. I had an awesome weekend spending some time with my family out in Atlanta. I had a horrible time flying. I actually took Delta and had delays. I would say a combination of 6 to 8 hours, both going and coming. So the interesting about the video that I'm doing today is I've actually had now not one but two pretty successful premium member trades in airline companies. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the SPY. Actually, I'm going to pause the video for a second and I'm going to change the color. Okay, we're back and we're black. Nice, I like it. So what we're looking at right now is the SPY. We're looking at a weekly chart for the past 4 weeks. And as you can see, the general direction is up. We've been trending up. And what I normally say is when the general market is trending up, or when we're in a bull market or an uptrend, it's far easier to be long stocks. And it's not to say that I don't short stocks. My name is Short Me Tina, so shorting is sort of something that I love to do. But I want to, make money the easy way. And the easy way to make money in a bull market is not necessarily shorting, although you can have 1 or 2 shorts. You want to ensure that you're net long, and that's what we've been for the past couple of months, if not for the past year or so. And we're not going to really reverse that trend until the market shows us that it's trending down. So back to the video at hand, and I'm going to just pull up some airlines. If you follow me, switch to the daily. If you follow me at shortmetina.com, you've watched my videos, you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you'll know that one of our previous winners was United Airlines, UAL. We bought, don't quote me, I can't even remember where we bought this thing. No, we bought it somewhere, I would say around, oh wow, it's that long ago. Yeah, we had to have bought it somewhere around here, around March, around the 68 levels, with the buy zone of 68. Now look what the stock has done thus far. We recently hit a high of 81.96, right? So from a buy zone of 68, we've seen, I don't know, you do the math, definitely over 10 points with this trade, United Airlines. So I said to myself, well, since airlines are doing generally well, if you look at American Airlines, you'll see the same thing. We've had some pullbacks, but since March, stock has been trending up. Let's look at Delta. Delta is actually what I flew, and it was the most horrible experience of my life. Trended down for a bit, and in April, we started trending up, right? Same thing with JetBlue. So do you see the theme here? JetBlue actually has been on a tear for quite some time. It's been on a tear since last year. With a low of, what do we have here? A low of about 23. It's currently sitting at 30. Almost 10 points if you just held on to JetBlue. So for me, the stock that offered, the best risk reward setup was ticker symbol ALK, Alaska Air. And that's actually the trade that we ended up getting into. And this is not like the typical videos that I've done where I've been touting that, we should trade the range bound or the consolidation. We definitely did that with UAL, and we did that with some other trades that are not particularly airline stocks. We did that with, I believe, CAT. We did that with LULU, Lulu. And just go to my website and you'll see, if you go on my, I believe it's Hot Stock Picks, if you go on that page, and you just sort of filter through by months, starting with this month, and you can go in, well, not June, actually, starting with April to May, you'll see videos of me sort of like explaining in somewhat detail the range and the consolidation. So this is not necessarily what that is here. I may or may not go over exactly what I'm seeing here, but just know in this particular trade ALK, I started to trade this once the trend changed, right? A change of trend. So essentially what that means is from March to boom, we can say May, the stock was on a decline, and starting in early May, right, there was a change in direction. And believe it or not, I caught it right at the change in direction. We may have gotten into this trade a little bit earlier. I want to say maybe the beginning of May, around May 9th or May 10th, something like that, with a buy zone of 81.83. We didn't quite get to 81, but we definitely went as low as 82. And since then, once again, stock has been on a tear. We hit our target once the stock hit 88 or mid 88s. We pulled back a little bit today and we closed at 88.23. Now, if this bull market continues, remember, like I always say, you definitely want to hold on to your winners. You want to let go of them. You want to let go or lock in profits along the way. But if you want to sort of see those sizable gains, more than 10, 15%, if you want to start seeing gains in the 20, 30, 40, 50% and upwards, you have to, well, you don't have to, but I would suggest, or what I do for myself anyway, is to let go of some and hold on to my winner. See how far it goes until that overall trend breaks. I say all that to say, I do believe, at minimum, this stock, providing that this bull market continues, I can see us definitely touching 91. And once again, if we continue with this uptrend market, I think we can definitely go on to hit the yearly high of 101.43. So that's essentially it. That's our ALK trade. We got in with a buy zone of 81 to 83. We didn't have to wait that long for this particular trade to materialize. We waited, I don't know, you can count it, but I would say we waited less than 15 trading days to hit our target in the 88. So that's about plus, I want to say, plus 6 or 7 points from our initial buy zone. And I do believe that we can potentially go to 91, and with a continuation of this bull market, we can go to a high of 103. So again, that's our second airline that we kind of hit our target on. ALK, the most recent one, and UAL. Again, go to shortmetina.com and review sort of the trade that I initiated here. We got in really sweet with a buy zone of around 68, and the stock right now is trading about 80.98, one as high as, pardon, 81.96. And once again, I do believe that both stocks can go on to achieve higher highs. So essentially that's it. Sometimes it's okay to stick with a theme, and in this particular case, we stuck with two airlines, United Airlines and Alaska Air. So head on over to shortmetina.com and become a member. Once again, we've been doing really great things, and we've been just kind of hitting it out the ballpark. shortmetina.com. Thanks for listening, and pardon, I'm telling you, I screamed way too much this weekend. Thanks for listening, and once again, as always, thanks for the support.